We're now seeing the number of new cases here in Duval County flattening out somewhat following a recent streak of record daily increases. Today, there were 117 new Jacksonville cases out of nearly 3,300 statewide. News4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott has been watching the numbers and asking questions about testing at the jail and the fire department. He's joining us live downtown with an update. Jim?
You know, Tom, I want to show you here at the jail. They are doing more testing. I understand they were doing that today. How many tests they conducted here and the results, we just don't know. All of this came about as what we told you yesterday when 20 inmates here at the Duval County Jail tested positive for the COVID virus after coming in contact with a doctor who was also positive. So the sheriff says that he's going to continue testing all of those here, all of the inmates at the jail, and that's well over 1,000 tests, plus 17 of the workers here are also in self-quarantine as a result of all of this. That's what's happening here at the jail, but I also just received some information about firefighters who are also in quarantine. 71 firefighters are now out in quarantine. 4 of them have tested positive. 13 lifeguards are also out on quarantine, and 1 of them is positive. Now, let me show you video of Lot J. Again, it was very crowded today as people waited for over 2 hours for tests. Those results should be back soon. The latest numbers have shown an increase in positive cases. The mayor and governor stress that's to be expected because of increased testing, and we'll continue to monitor the trend. I've checked with area hospitals about releasing stats on COVID patients. All have gotten back to me, but only 2, Baptist and UF Health, are releasing information, and it's limited that both are showing very few COVID patients. The others, Mayo, Ascension St. Vincent's, and Memorial, say they turn that information over to the health department, and that is not available to us. You know, plus we also continue to closely watch the state statistic that shows how many people test positive each day, the one time that they're tested in that one day. It's a test that the mayor's office really has been critical of, but with the state, it's at 8.9% here in Jacksonville for that one day of testing. We're live downtown, Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.